For this video, we're going to be looking at how to copy and paste data in Excel. So to copy data, first thing we need to do is select the cell that we wish to copy. So let's just say I want to recreate a similar table like this on sheet 2. So I want to start by creating this heading row. Okay. So what I'll do is I'll select the cells that I want. Right. I can either go right click copy, or I can come up here, click copy, or on my keyboard I can go Control and C. The shortcut on your keyboard is the best thing to learn because you can constantly be using these throughout making use of Excel. So Control and C, and now I move over to sheet 2. I can either right click and paste, come up to here and click paste, or I can use the shortcut of Control and V. There we go, I have copied and pasted that information. So therefore we've got everything here, okay? So now I want to actually copy the rest of this information. So instead of doing it row by row, I can select everything, Control C on my keyboard, come up here and go Control and V, right? And then I can just go ahead and rearrange the cells so that they are nicely spaced out. So that is how you go about doing copying and pasting of data from one sheet to another, or even within the same sheet itself.